What if your next smartphone actually helped you spend less time on your phone? Welcome back. Today, we're taking a realistic first look at the all-new Minimal Phone 2, a device designed for people who want to focus on life instead of endless scrolling. Minimal Phone 2 builds on the idea of the original model with a more compact design, an improved physical keyboard, premium aluminum construction, and refined software focused on distraction-free everyday use. So, let's see what using this phone really feels like. Holding the Minimal Phone 2 for the first time feels very different from a modern flagship. It's smaller, lighter, and much easier to operate with one hand. The premium aluminum frame gives it a solid feel, while the minimalist styling keeps everything clean and elegant. On the front, you'll immediately notice the e-ink display paired with a physical QWERTY keyboard. If you ever used a classic BlackBerry, this layout will feel surprisingly familiar. The keyboard has reportedly been improved over the first generation, making typing faster and more comfortable. The biggest difference is definitely the e-ink display. Unlike a bright OLED screen, this display is designed for reading, messaging, emails, notes, and navigation while reducing eye strain. Scrolling through text feels smooth enough for daily productivity. But don't expect this phone to replace your gaming phone. Watching YouTube videos or fast-moving content isn't what this device was built for. And honestly, that's the entire point. The slower display naturally discourages endless social media browsing and helps you stay focused. Reviewers of the original Minimal Phone found that this trade-off effectively reduced screen time, even though it came with performance compromises for media-heavy tasks. This physical keyboard completely changes the experience. Typing messages, replying to emails, writing notes, or searching contacts becomes much more satisfying. Unlike touchscreen keyboards that take up half the display, you always have your full screen available. For people who spend hours replying to emails or chatting with clients, this feels surprisingly efficient. The keyboard is one of the biggest reasons many users are excited for the second generation, especially with promised improvements. Minimal Phone 2 still focuses on essential smartphone functions. You can expect calling, texting, email, maps, banking apps, calendars, and productivity tools. The goal isn't removing useful features. It's removing unnecessary distractions. The improved software aims to deliver a smoother, faster, and calmer experience than the first generation. If you're someone constantly checking notifications every few minutes, this phone could genuinely change your daily habits. So, who is the Minimal Phone 2 really for? If you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who watches hours of videos every day, this probably isn't your ideal smartphone. But if you want to reduce screen time, improve your focus, write comfortably with a real keyboard, and still keep essential Android functionality, then Minimal Phone 2 offers something almost no other smartphone does. So that's our realistic demonstration of the upcoming Minimal Phone 2. It isn't trying to compete with flagship smartphones. It's trying to help you use your smartphone less. And for many people, that's exactly what makes it special. If you enjoyed this realistic review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews, concept devices, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.